Good evening. Today is Wednesday time in Sydney, Australia. Right now is 6:33 p.m. Date is 4th of January. On 30th of December, we had this video upload and we had some prediction for the Bitcoin and gold. If you are interested, please watch this video. It's 20 minutes. It's long video, but couple of predictions that I'm going to go through it. I'm sorry, I was very busy, Christmas party and New Year's and everything, so I did not actually have time to make any video, but on and off I was watching the chart, and if I see any trade I enter to the market, although market was very slow and most of the big guys, they were out of office and the big trader not working. But before I go to the chart and explain to you what we did, in the name of who, please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer first, and then I go and I explain to you what's happening. Let me go to New York, just to show you what time is New York right now. Wednesday, 4th of January, bad is 2:35 a.m. but we are 6:35 p.m. so we are in the afternoon, the evening, the early morning on Wednesday. If I go to the chart, as you can see, we start prediction on here in this video. The chart was on the 29th of December because the day and the time in New York is different. That's why they are 1 day behind. So we said here for the Bitcoin, we had a couple of prediction. I guess if you watched that video, clearly I said what is going to happen. On this area, I said if the price goes up to our selling zone, if we get the arrow, we can sell it to this level. Okay, let me show you what happened. I make the other line. Let me change the color so we don't miss what we have said. Okay, we said if the price goes above this white color or this purple color, if we get the arrow, we can sell it. Okay, and the price was here when I upload the video. You can watch this video if you like. And as you can see, a couple of days later, the price went above this line. Okay, and then I said if we get the arrow, we can sell it. We get the arrow here. Okay, we could sell to here. And I actually, when I look at the chart, I saw this arrow and I enter to the market here for this level. Okay, as you can see, I enter to the market and then put the pip above this area, and then I left them and gone, closed the computer, and after a couple of days I came back. One day I came back and I look at it. If I was 24 hours on the chart, I could actually enter many times for this Bitcoin in 15 minutes time frame. I could enter again because we had another arrow, 2, 3, 4, and hit the target. Okay, so then I had another level, which is this level, and then the price, this is selling, the price is 100, went above it, and then we get the arrow. When I come back and look at the chart, this one is not on the video, this one is on the video, on this video, when I'm talking about the video is here. Okay, and then I enter to the market for this level. Now I am in the trade now. Just now we are hoping that would come down to this, hit the level, and For the gold, we had the entry for the gold for this level, but hit the stop loss. But again, I enter again once here, we get a profit. We enter here, we get a profit. So we had four entry, hit the stop loss, and two actually hit the taking profit. We go to the pound Canada. If I go to the 29 of, when we record the video clip on this, the market was here on the 29th of December, 30 December of the Sydney time. What we have said is this: if the price come under here in this area, which is our buying zone, and then if we get the arrow, which we had the arrow, but I missed the trade because I wasn't watching, and the market went hit the target, as you can see. Then we get the arrow, we could sell. Actually, we don't sell, we don't this, but this is selling zone, and then this one is selling zone. That's right. This is for selling zone, and that's one was for buying zone. We had one buying zone, we had one selling zone. Okay, and we said if market come under here for buying zone, we get the arrow to buy. For selling zone, okay, this is for selling zone. Let me show you. This is red, and the price has to come under here and goes above, then we can sell it if we get the arrow. Watch this, please. When we record the tape, the clip, we were here. We had two possibilities. We were waiting for two trade. If I was at the computer at the time, when market come here, we get the arrow, we could buy it to this level, which actually did happen. Let me tick it. Change the color to red. And for the selling, if we had the arrow, we could sell it. You see, all these two prediction for this and for this, for buying and for selling, all the prediction was correct. And let me show you another thing. This one is for selling. Price is 100. When above it, we got the arrow, we could sell. That is how I actually predict, and I saw it here, and I said if price goes up, then we can sell it when we get the arrow. This all happening, and this is for buy. Okay, we got a gap, we got the arrow, we could buy to this one. This is all correct. As you can see again, one more time, I show you this. This is for buy. Okay guys, this is for buy, and this is the small gap. The price passed this horizontal line. If I make the horizontal line here, okay, this is the gap. We got the arrow, we could actually do this as well. So the prediction and the software and the indicator works very well, thanks God. And let's go to another one, analyzing, because now I don't want to waste your time. If we go to the 29th of December, most probably when the price was here, I make those arrow. You can watch the video clip, and we said if the price goes to this area and we get the arrow, as you can see, we got the arrow, we could sell it. Okay, this one was correct. I'm not going to explain about all this happening, and I actually entered to the trade for this level. As you can see, my entry and this level hit the target. So I'll just show you. That was another entry I did. I don't want to actually waste your time and show you all this, because most of the things, you know it by now, how I trade. So we go to the pound Australia on the 29 again, and the price was here. We said if the price come under this horizontal line, we can buy it. Most probably this is for buying. If I go back As you can see, this is for buy. We had a gap, but we got an arrow here, and I probably said I'm not going to trade this if I see it, because already it has been done. Most probably on that video I said we're just testing it. As you can see, price came once again 100, but we didn't have arrow to enter to the market, but we have arrow here. We could enter to the market and then hit the target. As you can see, when he hit the target, market bounced back. Alright, so I don't want to waste your time again, and we go to pound Japan. I just want to explain to you what we have said. On the 29 we had nothing here for the pound Japan. For New Zealand CHF, we go to the 29. I don't think we had any announcement for 29. Let me see if I had. This is for buy, obviously, and we always say when we have buying, the price has to go above it, make the gap, come in, pass through it, then we get the arrow, we can buy to this level. Okay, let's see. Look guys, what did I say to you just right now? I show you on this. You see, market went up, we got a gap, we don't do anything. We need the price goes under this two line, which is for this. Okay, as soon as went on and we get the arrow, we could enter in this candlestick to this level. Okay, that is for New Zealand CHF. New Zealand CHF, I had another prediction for this buying again. We had a gap, market went 100, we got the arrow. You see how many times we could enter to the trade. Euro USD, we go to 29 of December. Euro USD, I guess we didn't have any prediction, I don't see. But on the 2nd of January I saw this for buying. As you can see, it's green, price is above the horizontal line. When 100, we got the arrow when I saw the trade, and then I saw it here. And although we were very far from the entry point, I took the risk. I entered to the market twice, because it was, I think, not less than 20 pip. That was about 12 pip. That's why, I double it up to get more pip. So I entered twice, one 12 pip, and here 160. So it's about 30 pip I get, because I saw everything is on our order, and we had an arrow. I entered twice here, and we came out of the trade with a profit. Okay, so that's for the Euro USD. There are a couple of the trade here if I look at it, and I don't have time actually to analyze, but I'm just following what I have said to show you. Euro CAD, if I go to 29, let me see if I had any prediction for you on the 29. No, I did not have any prediction, sorry, because if I did have, I should have some arrow looking the direction. But then again, there is another possibility for the buying. This is for buy, the price is above, we are waiting to come under here to our buying zone, then we can buy it. Okay, let me see if this is happening. Came, touch it, bounce back up again, touch it, bounce back up again, and finally break through here. This is for buy. There is a gap, there is a gap, there is a gap, but finally could actually break through it. And now if we get the arrow in this buying zone, we can buy it. Okay, oh, we already have arrow. Look, perfect. We had an arrow, came and hit the target. So unfortunately I missed this because I wasn't at the computer all the time. It was a holiday, going out. So in this candlestick, if we could enter to the market, we could get actually about 70 8 pip. Okay, you see how many time tried market to go to this, because when he hit it once, then we go out of the trade. TP1. For Euro Australia, we go to 29. Euro Australia, we had a prediction direction for the Bitcoin. We say for Euro Australia, if the price come to the buying zone, which came, we got the arrow. This one is not good trade. We got another arrow. We could enter here, which I missed this again, about 19 pip. And second time, which I don't normally do that, we could get 50 pip, right? So we missed that. Just see how many time market try to reach and bounce back to this level, hidden support and resistance that we find in the past. Okay, this is the level I'm talking about, that I show you this. This is one buy, this is one buy. Okay, these are the hidden support and resistance that they indicated that we have. My partner developed. It gives us the hidden support and resistance in the past, and then when we get a signal to buy or to sell, we can buy or sell according to the level. Okay. For the Bitcoin, I explained that we entered to the market twice, 4 times, and twice actually hit target, and twice hit stop loss. So for the Bitcoin, we are entering to the market now. We are going to this level, and I add actually Ethereum as well to the chart. There's so many chart, and watching takes time. But I enter to the Ethereum for this level too. So hopefully, if market hit those level, I'll come back and show you and make another video. So this is just the update for what we have said on the 30th of December, Sydney time, 29th of December, New York time, about prediction of the direction of Bitcoin, gold, and couple of the pair. And I show you everything. So we had most of them hit the target, and gold we had 4 trade. Unfortunately, 2 hit the stop loss and 2 hit the taking profit. So in the name of Fu, I'm going to close this video. Please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. So if I find any level, I will come back and make the video. And hopefully I see you when Ethereum and Bitcoin hit the target. In the name of Fu, I'm going to close this video. Yahoo! Thanks for watching. Done. Finish.